Morning, Fazbear Restaurant. This is Kyle speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to make a reservation.
Okay, ma'am. May I know when and what time?
Tonight at 7.
May I have your full name?
Sure. My name is Lorraine C. Dafton.
Okay, thank you. A table for how many, ma'am?
Table for two, please.
Excuse me. Just one moment, ma'am. I will check the available tables for today.
Okay, sure.
Thank you for waiting, and I would like to tell you that we have an available table at your preferred time. May I ask you what is your preferred location? Is it smoking or non-smoking area?
Non smoking area, please.
Are you celebrating a particular occasion?
Oh, it's just a regular dinner.
Okay, do you have any requests to make?
Yeah, can I request a slice of cake?
Sure, ma'am. Would you like to try our bestseller cake, which is a Black Forest?
Okay, I think that would be perfect.
Ma'am, is there any other request would you like to add?
Nah, that would be all.
By the way, may I know your contact number so we can contact you for this reservation?
Sure, it's 966 152 3328.
Okay, Ma'am Lorraine. May I repeat the table reservation? A table for tonight with a request of slice of Black Forest cake at 7 o'clock p.m. in the name of Lorraine C. Dafton, and your telephone number is 966-152-3328. Is that detail correct, ma'am?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for making a reservation, and we look forward to being of service to you and your guests this evening. Have a great day.